Keeping your Google account secure means updating your password regularly. If something looks suspicious, you should reset it right away. In this video, I'll show you 3 quick ways to reset your Gmail password on Android. Part 1. How to reset Gmail password on Android via Devices Settings. Open Settings, tap your account, manage your Google account. Go to Security and Sign in Password. Sign in if asked. Enter a new password, and tap Change Password. Part 2. How do I reset my Gmail password on my Android via Forgot Password feature? Go to the Gmail login page, enter your email, and tap Forgot Password. Verify your identity with the prompts, or tap Try Another Way. After verification, set a new password. Part 3. How do I reset the Gmail password on Android if I forgot it via Gmail recovery page? Visit the Gmail recovery page on any of your Android phone. Enter your email and tap Next. Tap Try Another Way. Choose to get a code by text or call, or tap I don't have my phone. If available, send the code to your recovery email. If neither works, tap Try Another Way and submit an alternate email. Enter the code you receive and set a new password.